Hi, in this video, let's discover on what to do if music feature is not available on your Instagram notes. Now, there are a lot of Instagram users who have this feature already, so let's try it on your phone. First thing is for you to check if your Instagram account needs to be updated. So you can go to your App Store or your Play Store and type Instagram and see if it's updated or needs to be updated. So once you can see if it's updated, then you can now open your Instagram account. So from your profile page, tap the three dots or three horizontal lines on the upper right corner of your phone and tap for settings and privacy. Now, all we have to do here is to make our account or turn it into professional mode, and then we can turn it to personal mode later on. So just type professional in the box and you will be given that option. So once you find switch to professional account, just tap on it and just continue and just randomly choose anything you'd like because it's just temporary. So once your account is in professional mode already, all you have to do is to refresh your Instagram account and see if the changes appears on your end. So in my case, it's not yet available. It's still the same. It's not yet available, and like on my other account, I have this feature already where I can add music as a shared post on my notes. So our last option here is to take a screenshot of our profile or that notes without the music feature yet, and then go to the privacy and settings once more and scroll down and tap help. Now all you have to do is now to report the problem. So you can tap report a problem, and in here you can attach the screenshot that you have, and then along with the screenshot that you uploaded, you can briefly explain what happened on what's not working. So you can be specific right away that Instagram team, I don't have the music option added to my notes. Please add the music feature ASAP, and thank you. So all you have to do is to wait for them to respond to you a week, and if not, you can message them again. So that's the update. If you find this helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more videos to come.